party, girl. I want this. We have them up for. We say only in Jamaica. Watch all I want to know. Only
people want to see them driving here.
Come true, no man. What you with him look like car create problem? Move now. What you big ugly blood? A Bucky that? You look like Bucky.
Watch ya.
Watch ya, watch ya. Watch ya talk about watch her cuss. Watch her cuss like she right.
The road coming like chaos.
Yeah, man.
So the traffic too long and we have to come in here to come park.
Yeah. We have to go trick security guard now, like we go island.
Yes, so we have to go on like we have go Island Grill. Say Island Grill. Island Grill have a door, right? There's a door on the other side that we can come out of the plaza. So we have to trick the security for make. Yeah.
Okay.
She can't cross the road. Eh? One simple road they cannot cross. As we are by Jamila trip.
Why they look like them not a phone in here?
See the phone them here. That now go on again. Better together. Yes, the schemers can you imagine.
Wow, now. You know my start, right?
The schemers. Schemers, me left the money in the car. Look at that.
Come to that.
Me left the whole of money in the car. Look at things, so me have a little extra change upon me.
How much for chip now?
How much? Hello, how much is in the car?
How much fee?
750.
So you're rich out.
Yeah?
You still have the money for
Are
you.
you a pay for it?
One digital chip, one SIM card. And here's my ID and TRN.
Look out your face. Look out your face. That's your tiara.
Tell the people so they don't need a TRN again.
Let me see.
The mother do me no. No go on with something so man.
People, this is a TRN. Who don't know TRN number? It's like a social security number. But Jamaica have TRN. This is a TRN number. Jamie never knows. So did you say take TRN again? TRN back in the day or something. Yeah. Yeah.
From the way there. It's for the digital sign there. Digital sign there?
No.
In a from Digicel, the bigger better network.
No.
When I switch, no line. Jamaica's fastest network. Digicel. Oh?
Females don't watch me here, I'm a face so it highly. Yeah, Jamil I go plot it later. When time she have plot it, I video it and make you see it. See that? Good year, man. Jamil I go give me one bad hairstyle. Bad. Tell me. Bad hairstyle. Jamil I go give me one bad hairstyle. They hear that? 4 months without credit, you lose the number.
Always a taco.
Why you have my number in your head though?
Always.
No, not all. Listen if it a ring. I'm a phone though, they on airplane mode. Schemers, look on the cart here. Look on the cart here. The man them in a Jamaica creative. The man them in a Jamaica creative now. Watch out. Look on the card. Schemers, look on the card. And him same one? So. Put it in a gear, my boss. Yes, schemers, so Jamaicans creative. What's your bike here? What I said? Gear stick there. Gear stick there, 5 speed. 5 speed gear stick, no joke. Yo.
See the engine there, Ford Cortina.
Yo, and the maddest thing, Jamaicans are the most creative in the world. They can't tell me nothing. That is it. 1978 with a Weber Cabaret.
Benz gearbox, Lada gas tank,
Yeah.
Nissan spring and perch, Toyota front.
Toyota front. Ah! Shame on the woman, shame on the man, that's our respect. Yeah, man, no joke. Jamaicans are the most creative. The most creative, we're not asked. Jamaicans are the most creative. Let me make you see a view at the back. And a boy, some of this is tough. Archer. The great Archer, man. His name all the panics in the sound there. Music a play same way, you know? Yes, schemers. Look on this boat here. And you have the ship out there, so them come for full up water, for go back over the ship. You see it? That is the ship over there, so. And see the look boat here, see the water them there. Yes, see general them there full up the water. See the water van over there, so. That is it. Yeah. That is it. See the water, yeah. So you know me just a drive past and say I have to come take a shot because because you know me like to them something. At first me I see something like this. God know the first me I see something like this. So me say I have to take a shot. Schemers, yeah, that is it. Nothing like this. This is just unique. Nothing like this. I swear, nothing like this. We've never been for something like this. That is it. Yes, schemers, if you can't swim, don't come on this. No. If you can't swim, don't come on this, I swear. Yo, the way that Rocky make me feel scared. Eh? Well, hey.
Come out there.
Schemers. This is how creative Jamaican is. This is the next car this. Him have on some boat for female. Yeah, him have bring ply and lumber. Yeah. So Schemers is the next car this. Schemers. Yeah. Oh, show me see it. Just crying, schemers. One. See the schemers is a cat this. Me I show you how Jamaicans creative and so we deal with things. Eh? No, Joe. Eh? See muffler there. Muffler there. You see the back, this is the back part. Yeah, see that are the brake light right there, so. You have the driver seat right there, so we saw the driver sit down. Yeah. That is it, you have the rear view mirror right there, so. Yeah. You see, G, I'm going to start it, you know. But let's say battery, so the key go there. Key turn. That is it. I said those steamers. Him gone.